Hello guys, my name is A.S.Surya Sekhar. My roll number is 21NA10009 and I am from section 14. Today I have made a simple project using Tinkercad. This device can calculate the distance in front of the sensor. This is the sensor, ultrasonic sensor, up to a certain limit. And I'm going to show you how I made how I made this. Before that, I'll show you how it works. So I'll start the simulation. I'll press on this. So this pointer is 123.65 centimeters from the sensor. So if I change the position, it is going to change the distance, as you can see in here. So I'll show you how I made it. So I have selected an Arduino Uno board from this basic components. You can select all these object modules from the basic components here. So let me explain how I made this project. I've taken Arduino board and a breadboard, and I've connected the 5 volts pin with the positive terminal of the breadboard, positive terminal in the breadboard, and I've connected the ground from the board to the ground in the breadboard. I mean negative terminal, and I've also taken a LCD screen. Basically, how this LCD screen works is it is going to take information from the digital data pins. These are called the digital data pins, and these are going to send data to the LCD screen and works on a certain code. This is the code here. I'll show you later. So let me explain you these pins. These pins are called as data pins, DB0 to DB7. These data pins, which are connected through microcontroller for data transmission. This LCD module can also work on 4-bit mode through working on pins 1 to 3 and other pins. These are called 1 to 3 pins. Basically, what is 4 pin mode means, in this we have used 4, 5, 6 and 7 um, 4, 5, 6 and 7 pins here. So this pin is called the ground pin. This pin connects the ground terminal, and this is called the uh, pin 2 or 5 volt pin, which brings which is like the positive terminal of this LCD, and uh, this is called the pin 3 or VO. This actually selects the contrast of the LCD, I mean which display color, I guess. And this pin 4 RS, register select. This pin is used to connect data pin of an MCU and get either 1 or 0 as the data. And basically you can find all this in the internet about the pins. So I have connected 11, 10, 9 and 8 pins to the LCD screen, with DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7. As you can see here, these are the connections, and I've also powered the LCD screen. So these pins here, LED, anode and cathode, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal for the LEDs to light up. And I've connected this RS and RE pins to digital pins of 13 and 12, as you can see here, the purple wires. Okay, and after that I bought a ultrasonic sensor from the basic components here, and let me explain the pins in here. This is called the positive terminal pin, 5 volt pin, and this is called the trigger pin. This is an input pin used to initialize measurement by transmitting ultrasonic waves by keeping this pin high for 10 microseconds, which actually means it is going to send the ultrasonic waves to the object which in front of it where we are placing it. and this pin 3 is called echo. This is an output pin which goes high for a specific time period, and it will be equivalent to the duration of the time for the wave to return back to the sensor. And this pin is ground pin. You know this. This is used to connect to the negative terminal. Here I've connected the digital pins 3 and 2 to the trigger and echo pins, and I've powered the ultrasonic sensor with the positive and negative terminal from the breadboard, sorry. And this is the connection how I made it, and I've also placed the potentiometer here, and I've also powered the potentiometer and also connected it to the LCD screen. This is the connection here. So for this device to work properly, you need to maintain this configuration, otherwise you may get some errors. After that, I got this code from the internet. So this code you need to do it in an Arduino IDE, which is a software which you can download from the internet, and you need to write this code. But I got this code from the internet, and you need to place it here. See, these are the you can make this simulation work in blocks or text. I mean, blocks or text means this is the code form. So I use the text form because this is only available in the internet, and I made this project like this, letting the simulation of the project, and you will get a perfect device. And you can also find this is the schematic view of the connections, and these are the components to make this project. Thank you for giving this opportunity.